Similarly to variations, we can employ the use of civil site design or civil 3D alignments to help us control the position of the daylight. We're going to zoom out so we can at least see the first 600 feet of the string, which you can see here. You'll notice on the left hand side over the top of the lots there is a civil site design, or if you're using civil 3D, a civil 3D alignment. What we're going to do is to use this in two different ways to control the position of our daylight. First of all, we're going to open up a cross-section window at station 250. Once you've done that, and again make sure that the view is comfortable, we are going to also see the position of the alignment that we're going to be using to give us some context. So to do this, we're going to go to the Display tab, click on the Show Other Objects button, and in there we're going to complete the next available row. So the string name is All. We want to show an alignment. The alignment is named Road 1 Daylight Extents. And then we'd like to see this alignment all the way through our cross sections. So we're going to type in the start station and end station as follows. Click OK. Now, depending on how far you're zoomed in or out on your cross-section window, you should now see a blue line, which is the position of our alignment. Now we're going to apply a daylight override using this alignment. So we're going to right-click somewhere on the left side of our design, hover over Add Batter Override, and we're using, again, Insert Slope Batter. So you're going to see with this particular module, we can actually achieve 4 different things with this one entry. Complete the form as shown. Now, what we've also done in this particular entry, and you may not have seen this in the preview there, was that we have picked a left maximum offset alignment. So we have said the start station is 0, the very start of the string, the end station is 600, and on the left side we've got no slope values being applied, but we have chosen the left maximum offset alignment. This means we don't mind what the slope of our daylight will be, but we want to terminate at the position of the alignment. So go ahead and click on Apply. You'll see in the cross-section window immediately that the daylight is now striking the pasted surface at the position of the alignment, which is a great way of visualizing what's happening, and also on plan that change has also occurred. So if at any point you just want to set your daylight to a position of your choosing, regardless of the slope, then you can use this method to do that. There is one other method that we can use also using the alignment. Now what we're going to do is adjust this particular entry. So we're going to right click, click on Open Section Design Data, and then find the entry we just added in here, which is the bottom entry. At the moment we've got 0 slopes. So if we decided that the slope of the daylight had to be of a certain value but could not extend past the position of the alignment, then we can actually go and type in some values. So where you've got the entry here, for the start left cut and fill slopes, adjust the values to 4. Remembering what we did with the slope batter, constant slope means maintain this slope all the way through. So what's going to happen is we are going to have a daylight slope of 4. If the software cannot strike the pasted surface before it meets the alignment, it will be restricted by the alignment. So because we've got a section view open up at station 250, we should see this change occur. So click on Apply. So we typed in 4. We do not have a slope of 4 for the daylight at 250 purely because it is being restricted by the alignment. You can see that happening on plan. In actual fact, between station 200 and 300, you can see the alignment is restricting the daylight, whereas if we close down the section design data form, go to the Home tab and scroll through your sections, you should see that, particularly when we get to station 300, we can achieve the 1 in 4 that we require. Open up Model Viewer to have a look at the change.